Tonight I'm going to make bacon and egg pie for tea, so come with me while I make it. My pie dish is quite large, so it takes 1.5 sheets of pastry on the bottom and another 1.5 on the top, so 3 sheets of pastry all up. Turn your oven on to bake in 200 degrees Celsius. Right, into here I am going to put 12 eggs. Okay, so that's my 12 eggs in. I also add 1 chopped onion, so I'll just sprinkle that throughout, and then I just break the eggs. Give them a bit of a mix up. Let that yolk spread around. Okay, so to this pie I have added, I think I added the chopped onions already. So I've put in the bacon. So I've just pulled that out of my freezer. We buy bacon in a big kilo bag, and then I separate it all and I just roll each piece up and put it into bags. So when I want bacon, all I have to do is just pull out 1 roll or 2 rolls or 3 rolls. So this is 3 rolls of bacon, and if you have a look, I've just ripped that up and added it in. I've put some salt and pepper on, fresh ground black pepper, and some of my frozen parsley. And as you can see, it just looks like fresh parsley. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the pastry top on, and I'll be with you for the next step. Okay, so this is my pastry so far. You can see it's just coming out a bit there because I've got a join through the middle here. Okay, so now what we're just going to do is we're just going to roll this down and form a nice little rolled edge right round. And once we've done that, we will just press it with a fork like so around the edges. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and do that, and I'll show you when I'm finished. Okay, so that's my pie all finished. Now all I'm going to do is get a fork, and I'm just going to prick it across the pie. Oops. That should do it. Right. Now, I might just get some milk and give it a bit of a glaze. Okay, so I've just got a little bit of milk in here. So what we do is just brush it on with a pastry brush, and that will give it a nice golden colour when it's finished baking. And that should do it. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. I'll probably check it at about 20 minutes just to have a look, and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, that looks done enough. I'll pull that out, and there we go. 1 bacon and egg pie. Very simple and easy to make. So anyone that's a beginner cook can easily make this.